We are going to use watercolor paints to paint this entire paper. It's going to take a little while because the paper is so big. So watercolor, you need water, you need a paintbrush, and you need your paints, and they come in a tray. When we use watercolor paints, I ask that you really rinse your brush in between colors because you don't want to get any color mixed in with another color because then that color can get ruined. Okay, so you have to really take the time. Rinse, 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 dab it, then pick a new color. So you want to pick either all warm colors, so warm colors would be red, orange, yellow, or all cool colors. Those would be colors that make you feel cold, so like violets and blues and greens. I'm going to pick warm, colors that make me feel warm. And I'm going to start with yellow first because yellow is my lightest. So I got my paintbrush wet, now I'm putting it in the yellow, and I'm going to just make some yellow marks all around my paper. I'm really planning it out, I'm kind of just going with the flow. Okay, now that I have the yellow, I'm going to rinse, and I'm working very fast, but I'm going to rinse really well. Now I'm going to move to some orange. I'm just going to do the same thing. So what you want to do before this all dries on you, you want to get a dry paper towel and you want to kind of crumple it a little bit and you want to dab some of this paint off. And what it does is going to leave these interesting marks onto the paint itself. But it can only work when your paint is wet. So you might have to stop in the middle, do a little dabbing, and then keep going. If the paint's dry, nothing's going to happen. Okay, so I'm done with that orange. I'm going to rinse, 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 rinse. Now I'm going to go to a red orange, so that's a little darker of an orange. There's more red inside of that color. Same thing. Some wet, dab, dab, dab. And you will immediately start to see the marks that it's creating. You could do this with green. You could go to a blue-green, and then to a blue, and then a violet. If you wanted to do more of the cold colors, cool colors, it would be just as awesome. This will go onto the drying rack when you are finished.